All right, so last titration. So 2 times we did very good. So let's see if I can do it again, 3 times the charm. So same thing as last time. And remember, the number that we wrote as the end of last one is your beginning of your first one. So you could just copy that number over. So your final volume of trial 2 should be your initial volume for your NaOH in trial 1. So like we talked about, I already kind of know where I need to get before I slow down. So I'm just gonna let it roll out and keep going. Just gonna try to think of a good chemistry joke or something for you, but I don't really have one off the top of my head, to be honest, in this little pressure system. So you can just listen to the sodium hydroxide adding. But titrations are really common. It's a good way if you don't know the concentration of something that you have a lot of, you can do a titration to figure it out so you don't have to waste a bunch of it. Here we're doing an acid-base titration. That's really the most common types of titrations, but there actually are other ones you can do. The base here is a strong base. The acid is a weak acid. So you could do strong, strong, or you can flip it and make the base weak and the acid strong. And that makes it a little more complicated. And we'll actually talk about those type of reactions later. All right, so we're starting to get a little bit closer, so I want to slow down, pay attention, stop talking to you about all this little side stuff. I don't have any funny little laxative stories for you, like Dr. Hines, but as you can see, a lot faster once you've got 1 underneath your belt, 2 underneath your belt, you're even faster because you've confirmed how much you thought it took the first time. So I'm just letting it add drop-wise until we get that nice faint pink color, which we should be getting really soon. Oh, I thought it was gonna be that one. I stopped it. One more drop, I think. I'm gonna add one more. There's one little drop dangling. I think I'm gonna do it. It looks like it's kind of fading away a little bit on me. There we go. All right, so now we got our pink color. So now we're gonna come over here, and this is our final volume of our sodium hydroxide. Ooh, that's a really nice number. That one should be pretty easy for you guys to get. All right, and remember, this is the final volume of your sodium hydroxide there. So now you have all your numbers. You can do your concentration for trial 3, and then you're gonna take the average, all right, of those, and then make sure you do the rest of your stuff and turn in your lab reports and whatnot. All right, so good job. See you later.